Open it. Hey, yo, what's up, guys? Today I got a sick little video. A customer hit me up from TikTok asking me to do some jobs for them. He hit me up for a chrome delete and Starlight headliner. Everyone is always asking what's in this kit, right? And how do I connect it? What do I plug it into? This is the box. This box shoots out light from here and you plug it in from right here. This is for your cigarette port. Just plug this in your cigarette port and then this plugs into the box. Then this connector goes in here, shoots out light. For the chrome, we only got this window trim right here. Everything else is already blacked out on the front, so we're just gonna do these. So you cut it right under the edge. This and all this is done. I just got this one to do left, and then the chrome is all complete. The front's out. Jeez. Hey, just go ahead and try and make sure you don't crease it. Pull the back out, no looker.
Behind the head?
Yeah.
You got eyes behind your head or what, bud? You know what you should do?
What?
After you do something like this, do like a $50 detail.
What, bro?
You know?
A $50 detail?
Yeah.
I don't do detailing, bro.
Yo, tell them if they need detailing, do it for $50 and then just get Trey to do it.
Yeah, okay.
Get Tayshawn. Get Tayshawn. Get Tayshawn.
Tayshawn got it, bro.
Tayshawn got it. Yo, he actually has bare people.
I know, he's getting...
Bro, he's been detailing bare people's cars.
Now, how are we gonna try and finesse this out of it? Oh, we got it. Oh, yeah.
Beauty.
You just gotta get the angles right, bro. It's so hard to get it, but it's a little bit
Man.
harder. But we got it.
Man.
450 stars for this one.
Beer.
Peel off all this shit. Even this shit, we'll peel this off. We'll like split it again, like 4 different sections. All right. Me and the guys just took off the headliner. We're about to start poking the holes. Yeah, break it out. And then we'll put the boxer on here. Poked a lot of the holes. We're just gonna throw in the Starlight now. This is for the front, and these two are for the back.
That's hard.
Pro gluer.
I said, there's a problem. I said,
You got the quick hands too, eh?
Tom, you can speak to me.
About halfway done. Finish the front half. Right, see how I do this? Bring it around. Now I'm gonna wrap this one around here. Half of this is gonna be for this part, and then the other half is gonna be up here.
Okay, how's it going? He's gonna see you down. He doesn't shut up.
Get in there, eh?
Yeah, we're almost there. Just gotta wipe out this side, the front.
I haven't seen one. Those are good. The best, it's a bunch of brake services. Great.
Look at this guy putting in work. Yeah.
I'm gonna be done soon, lad.
All right, finish up the Starlight. All we gotta do is snip it. Down with this.
Snippers!
Check, you snip right here, and then the light projects right there. The holes?
No, snap on. What?
No, the stars now. We got stars. Rolls Royce.
Rolls Royce gonna get
Yo,
off.
if I were to start
La la, I'm not Carmelo.
Next one I do, I want to do the shooting stars. Yeah, holder kit, and it just, they have like 10 wires. It's a timer. It goes 1, light 2, light 3, light 4, light.
If it should be every 5 minutes.
No.
Different spots,
It
that
goes,
would be
you can
sick.
time it. You could probably time
Can
it.
you imagine different shooting stars in like different spots?
Yeah, it's like sequential. It's like sequential lights. 16 tail lights.
Woo! Beautiful.
So look at that. So and it's pretty spaced out perfect. It's
Yeah,
RGB, so every color pretty much.
I have one in my
Blue,
Civic.
green,
So now
red.
in my Civic,
There's a
I have
music
aux
mode
cord
too.
in my-
So when you got
my
music,
deck,
it like
but my
pounds like the
phone got
bass.
fucked up.
Just throw it in.
Well, the dongle's fine. The dongle's good sound.
Dongle's good sound.
There you go. Yeah. Let's go, boys.
No, deck is done. I was looking with the
Yeah. Nice. That's goated. Alright, cigarette port goes in the cigarette lighter. Try and run that up there. Is it short? It's probably gonna be short. Yeah. Yeah, like that.
Oh yeah.
Right now.
Okay, here, you're gonna park on all the turns on. Are you done now with this thing, Peter?
Oh,
Good stuff.
that is annoying.
Good stuff, buddy.
That's hard. These things are actually different. Instead of like Phillips screws, these are clips. I don't like them. Is this one for here?
Oh, let me see. Got both toys fucking going ham, eh, D?
Finally done. Fully complete. Finally finished up everything. We finished up on the chrome delete, right? All the window trim, and then finish up the starlights. Check that out. Look at that, 450 stars. Yeah. What do you think about that? So the chrome delete's looking sick. Yeah, open it, open it, open it.
It's crazy.
It's hard, eh?
I know, I'm glad I made a space.
Yeah, the beige is nice.